Good morning, students of standard 12th. Today we are going to study Human Genome Project from chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Human Genome Project. It was actually a project to identify the total number of genes present in human DNA. Now students, Human Genome Project was actually a specific project in which the total number of genes which remains present in the human DNA was identified. So students, we can say that scientists wanted to know the total number of genes which remains present in the DNA. So students, if you notice this picture, then you can see here the DNA. Now students, this DNA has huge number of genes in it. This genes which remains present in the DNA has very important roles, and that is why scientists wanted to know that how many total number of genes remain present in human DNA, and this project was called as Human Genome Project. It started in 1900 and was completed in 2003. So students, it was the only project which was started in 1900 and was completed in 2003 and took almost 13 years to get completed. So students, we can say that Human Genome Project was a quite ambitious project of the scientists. Students, in this picture you can clearly see the DNA, and you can also notice the huge number of nitrogen bases which there remains present in it. And students, the nitrogen bases which form the integral component of the DNA are adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine, and these all remain present in the DNA. It was coordinated by Department of Energy and the National Institute of Health, United States. So students, Human Genome Project was a quite ambitious project. It was requiring a huge fund, and that is why Department of Energy coordinated it, and which was further supported by National Institute of Health, which were from United States. Since if you will concentrate, then you can easily understand that this project, that is Human Genome Project, was a quite ambitious project in which a huge contribution was conducted by US Department of Energy. Human Genome Project was contributed initially by the Wellcome Trust and Japan, France, Germany and China. So students, Human Genome Project could not have been completed if it was not initially supported by the Wellcome Trust from UK and which was further contributed by Japan, France, Germany, China. Students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you can find that there is presence of Wellcome Trust and the building is appearing quite well constructed. The diagnosis, treatment and even preventing various disorders became easy with the knowledge of human genome sequence. So students, the diagnosis of a disease, the treatment and even preventing various disorders as well as diseases became quite easy, became quite convenient when the genome sequence which was present on the DNA was known to the human beings. So students, this picture will help in understanding that how DNA sequence can help in treating a specific disease. So students, in this picture it is shown that liver is having certain disorder. So the DNA which is present in the liver cell has been taken out. Thereafter, a certain sequence of the DNA of the liver has been taken out, which further with the help of various methods finally is being studied by the scientists to find out what is the reason for the specific disease which is present in the liver. So students, with the help of Human Genome Project, various defective genome sequences of the DNA was traced. Now students, let's discuss an important question. What was the advantage of the Human Genome Project? The advantage of Human Genome Project was in understanding the DNA sequence and its role in the synthesis of various proteins. Thank you, students.